Hello to another educational video. In this video, I'm just gonna tell you something about organoid intelligence. Organoid intelligence is the new idea in science. Instead of using machines made up of metal or silicon, scientists are trying to make computers using real brain cells grown in labs. These small cell groups are called organoids. They behave like little tiny brains. They can connect and maybe even learn. This is not science fiction. It's a real step towards computers like that grow like living things and maybe even think in the future. Let's talk about what is a biocomputer. For the proper understanding, a biocomputer is a type of computer made up of living materials like DNA, proteins, or real cells. Normal computers use electricity and chips to work, but biocomputers use chemicals and biology to do the same kind of work, like solving problems or making decisions. Some biocomputers are made up of made from DNA, where special DNA pieces do calculations by matching together. Others use living cells like bacteria, which are programmed to sense things in the environment and give a response. Biocomputers are not as fast as normal computers, but they are useful in places where machines can't go, like inside the human body. Computers. Two big reasons: they are very little energy and they can adapt. Today, computers need a lot of electricity and make a lot of heat, but nature is very smart. For example, the human brain uses less energy than a light bulb, but it's more powerful than any computer. Also, living systems can fix themselves, learn from the environment, and even evolve fast. Computers made from silicon can do that. As normal computers reach their limits, biocomputer can give us a new wave forward. In 1994, a scientist named Leonard Edelman showed that DNA can solve math problems. He took a math puzzle and encoded it into the DNA, and then he let the DNA pieces mix in a test tube. The way they connect gave him the right answer. No electricity, no keyboard, just smart chemistry. This was the first big success in DNA computing. It showed that biology can be used for the real computing. Living cells like bacteria or human cells to act like tiny computers. They do this with synthetic biology, a field where DNA is used to solve software code, like a software code. Okay, for example, a cell can be designed to sense something like a poison and then glow or make a medicine in response. These cells have logic gates inside them, like in computers, because they are made up of DNA and proteins, not wires. In the future, we may have cells inside our body that work like tiny doctors, always watching and helping when we need. But biocomputers can help in many areas. Okay, in medicine, we can have cells that detect cancer infection early and treat it from inside the body. In environment, living computers could find and clean pollution in soil or even in water. In future, we may even build like brain-like systems, computers that learn, remember, and solve problems like humans. This is just a beginning. Biocomputers are not only machines, they are a part of life, and they may change the way we think about technology forever. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or any concern regarding the topic, you can freely ask in the comment section. Have a nice day.